Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you a little sneak peek of this piece that I made. It's a ball smash on glass. So if you want to see how I did that, keep watching. So these are just two 8x10 picture frames, and I took the glass out and taped the back of them just in case I get my fingerprints on the back when I'm tilting the painting around. And I apologize for the lighting. I had to put a blue little tablecloth up over my light because I knew this was going to be a messy project. I'm going to be using the Apple Barrel Bright Red, Decor Americana Coral Shell. This color is really pretty. My Artist Loft Gold and my Artist Loft Black. My Deco Art Americana Snow Titanium White. I went ahead and mixed my paint up off camera, and I just did 1/3 paint and 2/3 Floetrol, and that's it. What I'm going to do first is go over this with some black, and I'm going to cover the whole entire area. Okay, I'm back. That took a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a balloon splash, splat, and I think I'm going to do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how it goes. One, two, three, 4. You don't want to put too much paint on your canvas or whatever you're working on, a wood panel, a board, a record. You don't want to put too much paint, because I learned the hard way that the balloon splatter doesn't really work if you have a lot of paint on here. Geez, I'm just spilling like crazy today. It's okay, it doesn't matter. I don't want to do too much gold. And it doesn't have to be, you know, perfect right in the center. I'm just going to do a tiny bit of this. Now I'm going to go in with my white and add a tiny little dot in the middle of each of my circles. So now I'm going to go in with my little toy ball, and I don't know why I kept saying balloon in this video. I wasn't using a balloon, I was using a little child's toy ball, and just do little smashes on my little circles of paint there. And I'm going to do that on both the canvases. And I had a third one that was not within the camera range that I did too. After these dried for about a week, I sprayed them with 2 coats of the clear gloss enamel spray, and this is how they turned out. They're super shimmery and gold. These are super busy for me, but I mean, they turned out kind of nice, I think. They have some really nice details areas, so as a whole, it's a pretty busy piece for me, but I think it would be cool to take like a macro shot of some of these and blow it up on a bigger scale. Let me know what you guys think. Give this technique a try. It's pretty easy with the little ball. I have all these around with my kiddos. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And subscribe if you're not already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video. Thanks guys. See you later. Bye.